So in exercise 13.4, we have to deal with the sphere and hemisphere. So when we talk about the sphere is something like a ball. So this is the sphere. Now the total surface area is equals to 4 pi r square. Now in the case of the sphere, that the total surface area and the curve surface area, these both are same. So whenever they will ask for the CSA, the same formula 4 pi r square, then TSA, the same formula 4 pi r, and the volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the volume. Now if we talk about the hemisphere, so hemisphere is the half of sphere. So it is a shape like a bowl. So when we calculate the CSA, that is the half of sphere. So divide by 2, that means the 2 pi r square. Now if we talk about the total surface area, so that means we have to close this opening circle. बाउल का जो ऊपर का पार्ट होता है, that is one type of the circle. So in TSA we will write CSA plus area of circle 2 pi r square, then plus pi r square. So it will be 3 pi r square. Now if we talk about the volume, so its a holding capacity is the half of the sphere. So half can be written as 2 by 3 pi r cube. See in the exercise 13.4, first question is we have to find the surface area of a sphere. Now we have already discussed whenever they will ask the surface area, no question whether it is CSA or TSA. You have to find the TSA only because the CSA and TSA both are same. Now in first question,
And first question,
the radius is 10.5 centimeter. So surface area. So the surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Now substitute the value 4 into 22 by 7. Then radius is 2 times. So we can write a 10.5, 10.5. So now remove the decimal. It's a 22 by 7, 105 by 10, again 105 by 10. So it's a 7 1 ja 7, 3 is remaining, 7 5 ja 35. Then it's a 5 2 ja 5, 3 ja. It's a 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. Then 2 1 ja 2 5 ja. And this side 5 2 ja 1 ja. So remaining we have 22 into 3 into 21.
Sir, it's
So
2772.
multiply it once again. 1386 centimeter square. So in second question we have to again find the surface area but diameter is given. So we have given d is equals to 3.5 meter. So from the d we can find the radius, that is t by 2. So it's a 1.75 centimeter. Now find the surface area.
Sir,
is equals to 4 pi r square. So radius is in meter. So we will write now substitute the value 4 into 22 by 7 and
Seven.
dividing 2 times by the removing the decimal. So we have remaining numbers 11 into 7 by 2. So 77 by 2. So 2 threes are 6, 2 eights are 16.5 meter square. So we know that the TSA of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Now just substitute the value. It's a 3.14. So we can write here 314 upon 10 and the radius is 10 centimeter. So 100 cancel. So it is 942 meter, sorry, centimeter. So in the beginning, the spherical balloon increases from the radius of 7 to 14 centimeter. So we are considering R1. That means the in the beginning radius was 7 centimeter and its radius increases to R2, 14 centimeter. When we pump the air, now it is asking that find the ratio of the surface area of the balloon in two cases. So when we are finding the ratio, that means surface area of the balloon in the beginning divide by surface area of the balloon after filling the air. So we can write here a ratio of surface area is equals to, in beginning that means when the time the radius of the balloon was 7 centimeter r1. So this is the spherical balloon, huh? So you have to consider whole circle sphere. Now when we fill the air, its radius increases to r2, that is 14 centimeter. So in the beginning the surface area is 4 pi r1 square, and after filling the air its surface area is 4 pi r square. So 4 pi cancel. Now substitute the value 7 into 7, 14 into 14. So 2 ja 2 ja. So it's a 1 by 4. So that means 1 is to 4. Now clear? So let's consider that the diameter of earth is capital D and the diameter of moon is small d. Now we have given that the diameter of the moon. So that means the small d is approximately 1/4. So that means 1 by 4th of capital D. So we can simply write d is equals to d by 4. So let's calculate the radius of earth. So now we are considering that radius of earth is capital R. So capital R can be written as capital D by 2, and the radius of moon is a small r, that is a small d by 2. But here we need both the radius in capital D or either in a small d. So now at the place of a small d, We are substituting d by 4. So d by 4 into 2 to hai. So radius of moon is d by 8. So just write down here ratio of we have written the first surface area of moon because it is written in the first moon, then the second is earth. Now substitute the formula. So it become 4 pi r square. Sorry, not a capital R, it is a small r because we have considered the radius of moon as a small r, and this side 4 capital R square. So 4 pi cancel. Value of a small r in the form of d is d by 8, and the value of capital R is capital D by 2. So when we multiply, it's a d by 8 square into 2 by d reciprocal. So it's a d square by 8 into 8, and this side 2 into 2 by d square. So d square cancel. 2 4 ja, then 2 2 ja. So it become 1 by 16.
So answer is 1:16.
So our answer will be 1 is to 16. So in question number 8, we have given that a spherical bowl is made of the steel that is 0.25 centimeter thick. So that means ये बाउल हो गया. अब बोल रहा है कि बाउल हैज द थिकनेस 0.25. सो ये इसकी वॉल हो गई. दिस थिकनेस इज 0.25. ये पूरा स्टील है. द इनर रेडियस, सो इनर मीन्स फ्रॉम दिस टू इनसाइड पार्ट यहाँ तक, that is 5 centimeter. Find the outer curved surface area of the bowl. So our figure is like this. ये बाउल हो गया. So first we have to find the outer radius from center to the outer part. ये हमें चाहिए यहाँ तक. So our outer radius, we are considering r is equals to inner radius plus thickness of, or you can write here inner radius thickness of steel. So that is 5 plus 0.25. So finally we have radius of the outer surface is 5.25 centimeter. Now find the curved surface area. So curved surface area of the outer part is 4, it's a 2 pi r square because it is a hemisphere, half hemisphere. So 222 by 7, we can write 5.25 whole square. Now solve it. Its approximate answer is 173.25,
25.
and the radius is in centimeters, so centimeter square.